Do you want to know how you can enable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now, open chatgpt.com and log into your account. Go ahead and click on your profile, which is on the bottom left hand side, and then click Settings. You can see Security over here, tap on it, and you can see Multi-Factor Authentication. It requires an extra security challenge when logging in. If you are unable to pass this challenge, you will have the option to recover your account via email. So go ahead and click Enable over here, and then click Enable MFA. So you can see that you'll only be able to log in using Google while MFA is on. If you prefer to have MFA enabled for your account when logging with your username and password, please sign out and log in again through that method before enabling. So click on Enable MFA, and then you can see that your two-factor authentication has been turned on. So what you need to do is write down the one-time password which has appeared on your email. So go ahead and check your mail. A mail might be sent to you by ChatGPT. What you need to do is secure your account. So you can secure your account by opening an authenticator app, and then you can scan the code. This way you can enable your two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication on ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.